Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video we explain how to download CFDSC. Please watch complete video. Please ensure the following requirement should be on your system. Internet Explorer 11. USB token. Download link. Challenge code. AMP, installed token driver properly. Open your downloading link in Internet Explorer. Click on Yes button. Enter your certificate name. Then click on Search button. Now click on Download button. Select your USB token name. Click on Submit button. Enter USB token password. After this, your DSC certificate will download it. Thanks for watching. For more related videos, please subscribe.